Okay, so what's happening here today this afternoon is RV is working on transparent PNG to adjust for Overscan for a city in Canada, right, RV?
Mhm.
This is a ridiculous amount of Overscan, and this matters because this is for the hockey team, which is great timing because we actually have a client coming in right now that's actually representing a hockey team. What are the odds of that? So we're going to go through some training here really quick, okay?
Okay.
Okay. You just came into a live call, Carrie. If you
Oh,
don't mind. It
no, I
was
don't
great
mind.
timing. So what we're doing here is a ridiculous amount of overscan for an arena back east. When I say ridiculous, I mean when you see it, you'll go, what? So bear with me for a second. City
Yeah.
Windsor, I'm now going to the Slack channel, which Rolly's put the pictures in now. Thank you, Rolly. So stop sharing your screen already. We're going to jump into this and right back. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen here, and check it out.
Oh, wow.
You've got the same computer running two screens. So the computer isn't behind the screen in this. They ran HDMI cable to a head office area somewhere. So if one
Hey.
screen's like that, another screen like that, what does that
Mm-hmm.
tell you?
Yeah.
It's yeah. So it's a goofy amount of overscan, and they can't seem to fix it in the remote control.
Oh.
So So the only way we can really do it is we got to make a design that has a whole bunch of white space on the left and right. So
Right.
I'm going to stop sharing my screen now. Okay, you can see left and right there, and I'm going to show you some more advanced tools with SAM. So RV, share your screen, please. Okay, so what's great about SAM is that it's basically building websites. So it has a bunch of tools in it like this. What RV has right now is a transparent PNG in the foreground. Well,
Mm-hmm.
the Z reference. So he's got that in the foreground. Now he can move stuff around. So RV, can you grab the remote control and just show it off a little bit here? So rather than having to manually go into all the HTML, we built this tool years ago that is just invaluable for this kind of stuff. See why live. So on the right hand side there, RV's going to take that channel and he's going to adjust that out. Is that okay? So look at that. Okay. You
Okay.
could scale anything out. So he's going to take that left side. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And now you see it's turned red in the design itself.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see that.
And so you want to move it completely out, Arby? Okay, awesome. So it's still there in the design. We can bring it back, but we're going to actually get a hold of the client and say, hey, until we're done here, we can't fit both. We're trying to accommodate the overscan. And RV, because the other screen, the other screen, when it sees this now, is going to show that band. It's going to show everything. So you need to completely get rid of it. Not just out of range here, but completely go by it. Okay, so it's still there, just hidden off on the left.
Yeah.
Okay, now you want to take time and date and the logo and put it all into the middle area, Ari. You see what I mean about this? It's a lot easier than what it seems like, right, Ari?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so it should take you only about 10 minutes here max. When you're ready and it all looks like it's going to be within those bands, once outside of the range of the bands, I want you to put a background image in. Okay? Something to match hockey, just something that could be, oh, this is cool. So the one screen is now going to have everything fit that they want fit. The other screen is going to have bands on the left and the right, or at least the client's going to be happy, right?
Right.
So how's that for a creative, fast, more advanced part that you haven't seen before of SAM and some of the tools that are built in here? Cool,
That's awesome. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Saves me trying to mess around with my formats too. Going, oh, right. It's like I can fix it here.
Yeah, so much work. Imagine the flat HTML, how much work this would be to make the
layout. Oh,
yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. So with that, we're going to stop this recording. We're actually going to post this one up. Okay?
Okay.
Everybody? Because it really helps people understand the value proposition, what we do here at Ian's. Rolly, I hope you enjoyed this because this is now showing you the more advanced training that you need. Right, Rolly?